Alright guys, finally got some time. Done tattooing. Finally just chilling at home. I can't be in my garage because it's super cold out and I haven't got a heater yet. But, alright, I'm here and I have my package. It finally came, basically. I know what it is, you guys don't. But definitely need to check it out, make sure everything's good money on it and that. So, let's check it out, see what it is. I'm in my room, you know. Guys, if you haven't already, definitely go check out Mishimoto. You know, some cool ass fucking stuff. The Piro is awesome, gear is tough, and the parts are amazing. Just got done ordering a couple things, you know. Let's cover that order code, but you already know. Anyways, it's definitely, you know, let's definitely do what we're here for. You know, every Spanish person has a blade on them, and this one's a little tough. So, matter of fact, let's find something to hold my camera on, because it's a little hard to hold it, you know, hold the phone and try to cut something open at the same time. Okay, looks like I don't have anything. So, let's place this here for the meantime. Alright, I think I'm good. Let's see what we have. It's like Christmas. I love the packages, I tell you. Just like a Christmas. You know? Gotta make sure, you know, things is good. Let's see what's up, Nas. Oh, my son. Ain't you supposed to be in bed getting ready for school tomorrow? Alright, we're gonna put this here. Definitely, you know. Let's see what we have. It's like Christmas all over. Oof. Yeah. Let's get it. I am hyped. You already know what this is. You know? Oof. Hydro e-brake. Definitely coming clutch. Alright. You know what? It's nighttime. You definitely gotta make sure you guys have your chocolate milk. You know, chocolate milk is good for you. It's good for the body. And that, I am super hyped. And I've been waiting for this for about a couple weeks now. And that, so definitely been, you know, impatient waiting. And that. But put that on pull. Alright. Definitely want to make sure, you know, I got all angles. But oh, I am so hyped. Ooh. Actually feels, you know, pretty sturdy. It's not flimsy. It's pretty good, you know. E46 is gonna love this. I'm gonna love it. So let's definitely, you know, set this up. And that. I'm not in my garage right now because it is about who knows how cold. So, you know. And I am super hyped. You know? Super hyped. Damn. What do you think? This is gonna be a fun summer. So definitely trying to have everything set up by summer. Or even before spring. Because once, you know, drift season starts, I'm in it. So guys think? Definitely, I think this is a good addition. Definitely great. So, we'll be, doing good. And that. Make sure you guys got your chocolate milk, like I said before. Bam. I'm hype. I ordered the lines from Chase Bay. They should be coming pretty soon. And hopefully we good to go. Setup's gonna be amazing. It's already looking tough. I'm hyped about it. Very hyped. So definitely keeping this, I was thinking about, slinging it back, but yeah, it's definitely a keeper. And that, I'm stoked, I'm not gonna lie. I thought it was gonna come out a little, more like a cheap metal, flimsy sword. I had a couple katanas in my life. And honestly, it's decent. It's really decent. I can't wait to install it when, for a couple parts from Chase Bay and that. But definitely good. And I love the purple, my favorite color and that. But I'm happy with it. Like, it's definitely like, the metal is nice to steel. Whatever it is, whatever kind, and that. So I'm pretty hyped with it. I'm happy. Like I said, guys, I don't know if I said it before, but definitely check out Mishimoto. Definitely got some good parts coming. Definitely waiting, and it's gonna be awesome. Like, a couple more things, and Tiffany definitely will be out. All right. I did a whole recording and did not. I'm pretty stoked about this. It's too cold right now to be filming in the garage, and plus I gotta get ready for bed soon. Only because I have to go. I have a doctor's appointment basically. I have to be there. Like I mentioned before, I have half a heart, so I have to check, make sure everything's good. But yeah, waiting for Chase Bay. Once I get my brakes lines, definitely installing. So it's gonna be sick. Springtime's coming, so I'm hyped. She should be done. Everything, angle kits next and all that fun stuff. But yeah, let's get to it. But for now, I'll check you out.